Welcome to Gear Jammer Garage. Today I'm going to be working on the interior of my 68 Chevy truck. I've got the transmission hump in already, and I put some of this kill mat down. I had this, I didn't have to buy it, I had it left over from when I did the Impala. For the transmission hump, the original SM 465, the shifter came out here. So I had to cut this hole open, and then I just used some sheet metal and welded that in to cover up that hole. This kill mat I got from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. You don't have to go crazy with it, and don't overthink it. It's pretty simple. What I did is I started here, and then put the next one here, and then here, here, there, and then came up. And then I just kind of worked my way from there. This is a piece of scrap. These here are pieces of scrap. This one here was a whole piece. Then I got up in there. So it's not too difficult, don't overthink it. And not every square inch has to be covered. This here is just some pieces of scrap. And I think this piece here. So try to use the material to cover as much of the floor as you can, and then whatever scrap you have left over, use that for the small pieces. But I didn't get everything, but doing every square inch, it's not going to make a big difference if you have some that you didn't cover. This is what I'm going to be putting on top of the kill mat. I got this from Rock Auto. It's kind of like a thick rubber mat or vinyl. I left it in the sun, kind of make it a little bit softer and easier to work with. And I'll be spraying some of this down on the kill mat, and I'll put the black mat over it, and then the carpet on top of that. stick some of this foam. It's a 1-inch foam in the corners here for the acoustics, so the speakers don't have that sound like they're in a tin can. This, I think I got it at Michael's or Joann's, but it's left over from when I did the Impala seats. These are the 6x9s that I'm going to be using. Sony XS690GS. Just opened them out of the box. That one came like that. This one's fine. And they don't come with the grill. Come on, Sony. It's not cool. So I'll get some down the line, but for now I'm going to be installing those on these brackets here. So I already made sure this fits in the truck. I'm gonna drill the holes for the speaker, then mount that, and then I'll run the speaker afterwards. So yeah, I don't like that it didn't come with the grill, but what is cool is the box comes with a template. That's neat. So I got this side done. The size of the foam that I'm using in there is 20 by 10, and then you just kind of cut just the sides wherever you might need, like here and there. But yeah, 20 by 10 fits in there good, and it's a 1-inch foam. So I already got my holes marked down there to drill. Carpet in. These are the bolts for the seat. I got one more to do back there. Let me give you a tip on that real quick. So over here on the driver's side, if you leave your bolts in right there, you put your carpet over it. They're easy to find. Then there are your bolt holes right there. Gonna make it a little bit cleaner. It's hard to do this with one hand. You can hit it with the heat gun. And you get your razor blade and just cut the hole out. And you end up with clean holes. Alright, after you cut your holes, that's all you see from the top. Clean. So you take the bolts out and then mount them up on the other side. So I'm gonna leave the carpet like this for a couple of days to help it mold. Next time I work on here, I'll install the speakers. And once it's molded and everything starts to feel a little bit better, I'll cut the holes here for the those little nipples that the gas pedal sits on. And then also this boot is from a Kenworth. It's by Dorman. And I'm gonna use this to cover that up. And then this ring underneath it, I just made with a piece of sheet metal. When I edit this, I'll add the part number for this on the screen because I don't have the box or anything. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.